Welcome to the Quizopolis Love Boat Trivia Quiz. How many of these Love Boat questions can you get right? Don't forget to subscribe to Quizopolis for more fun quizzes. Question number 1. Who played the character Captain Merill Stubing? Is it A. Gavin MacLeod, B. Ted Lang, or C. Fred Grandy? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Gavin MacLeod. Question number 2. What was the name of the ship on the Love Boat? Is it A. SS Pacific Princess, B. SS Love Boat, or C. SS Seabreeze? Make your guess now. The correct answer is SS Pacific Princess. Question number 3. Which character was the ship's doctor? Is it A. Doc Bricker, B. Isaac Washington, or C. Gopher Smith? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Doc Bricker. Question number 4. Who was the ship's bartender? Is it A. Isaac Washington, B. Doc Bricker, or C. Gopher Smith? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Isaac Washington. Question number 5. What role did Lauren Tews play? Is it A. Julie McCoy, B. Vicky Stubing, or C. Judy McCoy? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Julie McCoy. Question number 6. What was the name of Captain Stubing's daughter? Is it A. Vicky Stubing, B. Julie McCoy, or C. Judy McCoy? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Vicky Stubing. Question number 7. Which character was the ship's purser? Is it A. Gopher Smith, B. Isaac Washington, or C. Doc Bricker? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Gopher Smith. Question number 8. Who played the role of the ship's purser? Is it A. Fred Grandy, B. Ted Lang, or C. Bernie Koppel? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Fred Grandy. Question number 9. Who sang the original theme song for The Love Boat? Is it A. Jack Jones, B. Paul Williams, or C. Barry Manilow? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Jack Jones. Question number 10. What network aired The Love Boat? Is it A. ABC, B. NBC, or C. CBS? Make your guess now. The correct answer is ABC. Question number 11. When did The Love Boat first air? Is it A. 1977, B. 1980, or C. 1975? Make your guess now. correct answer is 1977. Question number 12. When did The Love Boat end its original run? Is it A, 1986, B, 1987, or C, 1988? Make your guess now. The correct answer is 1987. Question number 13. Which actor played the ship's doctor, Doc Bricker? Is it A, Bernie Koppel, B, Fred Grandy, or C, Ted Lang? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Bernie Koppel. Question number 14. What was the name of the ship's cruise director in later seasons? Is it A, Judy McCoy, B, Julie McCoy, or C, Vicky Stubing? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Judy McCoy. Question number 15. Which actress played Judy McCoy? Is it A, Patricia Klaus, B, Lauren Toos, or C, Jill Whan? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Patricia Klaus. Question number 16. Who created The Love Boat? Is it A, Aaron Spelling, B, Gary Marshall, or C, Norman Lear? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Aaron Spelling. Question number 17. What was the name of the spin-off series from The Love Boat? Is it A, The Next Wave, B, The New Adventures, or C, Return to the Love Boat? Make your guess now. The correct answer is The Next Wave. Question number 18. Who played Captain Merill Stubing's daughter Vicky Stubing? Is it A, Jill Whan, B, Lauren Toos, or C, Patricia Klaus? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Jill Whan. Question number 19. How many seasons did The Love Boat run? Is it A, 9, B, 8, or C, 10? Make your guess now. The correct answer is 9. Question number 20. In what year did The Love Boat have its final episode? Is it A, 1986, B, 1987, or C, 1988? Make your guess now. The correct answer is 1987. Question number 21. Which famous actress guest starred as herself in the series? Is it A, Ginger Rogers, B, Lucille Ball, or C, Elizabeth Taylor? Make your guess now. The correct answer is Ginger Rogers. Thanks for playing! How well did you do? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun trivia quizzes. Also make sure you check out our other fun quizzes.